Take two. Let's see if it works. Thank you. Okay. Last night's plan was okay. I got a little antsy again as usual, but the market was not really rallying too much, and I was afraid of our friends in Asia selling it without me being on board, so I put a small position on at 18. I said if we work our way back up to 22 plus, I think, take a shot at putting some on there. Market did rally there, but it was right on the London Open with the crazy whipsaw trade on the London Open where it went up and then down and broke. Came in here, we were weak all morning. Currency markets were obviously, out of control. The yen was down more than 100. I think the euro was up like 30 at the time. And then we got some G7 commentary saying that they didn't want the yen doing what it's doing. The yen rallied all the way back up, I think like 25 on the day, and the bonds and notes rallied. I think we went from, what were we trading? Probably 12, 13, all the way up to 19 plus, and then we started selling off again. And we've been soft all afternoon. We broke down to, I think, 13 in the afternoon. We did not retest the early lows at 12. Which is key support there. I think we're going to consolidate a little bit down here. I think you get a shot at some kind of an uptick up towards 17 plus 18 probably. We'll take a shot at putting some shorts on there. Any trade at 12 you want to cover some. Any trade below there, look for a quick little run to hit some stops. There's a couple interesting levels below the market here. Real quick, this is where I think we're at. I think the rally up to 29 plus was an A wave. I think we're currently in a B wave. We're chopping lower. We're not getting impulsive type moves. The volume isn't that big. I think we're looking to find the bottom of the B wave down here. Remember, the Fibonacci levels all are good at that, for finding that level. We've already taken out the 382 retracement at 15 in the 10-year. We've got the 50% retracement at 131.10. And the key 618 retracement is down at 131.05 plus. 618s have been very crucial lately. We test them and we hold typically lately. B waves are tricky. I'm short. I'm looking with a tight stop. I think we're going to work our way down here. But when you see that quick run down, that tells you, guys got stopped out, guys got, short all of a sudden. Cover your shorts and maybe even go the other way and put a long on. The timing is such, remember we talked about it yesterday, market should be soft into the 10-year and the 30-year auctions tomorrow and Thursday. Especially with the volumes are light. I think it makes it difficult to distribute this kind of supply and find buyers and not have the dealers panic and have the dealers' ability to hedge in the futures market. When it's active and there's a lot of volume going on, that stuff gets done. When it's like this quiet, guys are afraid to show their hand. They're real sneaky. We're trying to sell stuff on every uptick, but we're not really pushing it. And on dips, we're covering shorts. We'll definitely want to be out of our shorts by the 30-year auction. Remember, we said it. Since the long end of the 10s and 30s went to a monthly auction, there hasn't been one auction where if you bought the 30-year auction, you lost money on it 24 hours later. It gets tricky this time because for the holidays coming up, Friday there's no buyback by the Fed. Monday there's no Fed. Friday, Globex closes early for everything at 3:15. Monday, Globex opens up at the regular time Sunday night, but closes early Monday morning. 10:30 for equities, noon for bonds and currencies. And there's no pit session, so volume's going to be very light. Why does this thing keep stopping? Sorry about that. The camera stopped for some reason. I'm talking too much, I think. Okay. Sell rallies, small short. Looking at the bonds up against 143.16. Maybe as much as that afternoon pop back up to 20. 10 years up 17 plus, maybe as much as 19 plus. And cover at 12, cover at 06, cover at 01 in the bonds, cover at 06 in both bonds and 10 years. Got that? So 10 years we're looking at 12 and like 06. Bonds we're looking at 06 and then 01. All right. Have a great night, guys. Sorry about the video doing that little stutter step there.